Hey there, Dotson guys here with MarineMax in Charleston. Today I want to show you guys a new trade of mine. This is a 2020 Scout 330 LXF. She's paired with Mercury 400 Verados, and she has just under 225 hours. You'll see those Mercury 400s on the back, and they are color matched to the Scout gel coat. She is joystick piloting, so she has the autopilot standard, as well as that GPS anchoring. You'll see here we have the aft jump seat. Scout does a great job when this is tucked away, where it's pushed out of the cockpit, so it adds for more fishability or just more versatility. Standard in-swinging port dive door with dive ladder, and the storage is conveniently placed right there in the gunnel. On the port side, she has glove boxes all the way down her leaning post. We have her summer kitchen, so we have her wet bar, cutting board, and as well as the inverted grill option with the slide-out Yeti that's underneath. We have freshwater and raw water washdowns right there on the aft as well. Moving forward, she has the twin bucket seat helm seats with the glove box in between, flip bolsters. It's equipped with a Heritage interior, if you guys are familiar with that from Scout, so that's still a current fabric with us. Moving to the dash here, we have twin 16-inch Garmins. We've got our digital switching pulled up there. We've got the touchscreen display from Mercury, and again, that's for our digital display for our Mercury systems, joystick, digital throttle and shift as well. She's equipped with a glove box and as well as air conditioning at the helm, and then heated seats are standard on the 33 moving up. Coming on around, we'll take a glance down into the console. So on the front side of the console, you'll see we've got the lounge seat with independent armrests, both port and starboard. She is equipped with the windshield wiper. In the bow, she has one of the big major options, which is our retractable bow table. And you can see it's got her set in the filling station at the moment. So it's all a filler, and that comes all the way up to make a table as well, or goes all the way to the ground to get out of the way. That control is behind me, and as well as the stereo remote here in the bow. Cup holders all throughout, as well as rod holder cup holders right here, conveniently placed. And then you have storage under all three compartments, moving around the bow. She does have a windlass standard and as well as windlass controls at the bow, as well as at the helm. Both port and starboard, you do have insulated cooler boxes, as well as courtesy lights, so you can use them as a glove box or as a cooler box. Underneath our lounge seat, we have additional storage for everybody's big day bags. We have access to our Armstrong ladder for our standard ladder in the transom. And we'll wrap up down in the console here. So she does have a cabin. She's got air conditioning down below, vacuum flush toilet, and as well as a berth that can be converted, or it can be into seats like you see it now. She has an onboard battery charger. She's ready to go to her new home once we get that bottom paint wrapped up. So if you have any questions, feel free to call us at 843-747-1889. And again, my name is Dotson Guys with MarineMax here in Charleston. Thanks for watching.